In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from Squarespace to Showit. So we have in here our Showit website. So just head over and click onto this preview option, and you can see in here a preview of what it looks like. So you can also see in here what's the URL. So you can just head over and click on it, and you can see it on full page right here. So if you want, you can just head over and copy this domain that you have and then go right here to your Squarespace. From in there, scroll down and click on this gear icon, and then just go to your domains and email. Click on the domains option. Click on this use a domain I own and then just paste it right here. Now, once you have done that, it will be recognized in here. So as you can see, it's registered. So if you want to transfer, just click on this transfer domain. And then from in there, just check your current registrar and then just get the authorization code from there.